Braucam mēs uz Šrilanku, mērķis iepazīt Šrilanku, redzēt cilvēkus un galvenais, protams, pasērfot. Šrilanka apskalo Indijas okeānu, kurš ir silts okeāns, 27 grādi. Var sērfot bez hidrotērpa, tas vienkārši fantastiski, jo ir pilnīgi brīvība un ūdens ir silts, tā ka nevienā brīdī nepaliekās augsts.
The sound in my ear, the will to persevere as I reach the break of day. When you're lost all hope and excuses, and the cheapskates and the losers, nothing's left to cling on to. Gotta hold on to yourself. I cry of hope, a plea for peace, and my conscience beating. It's not what I want, for it's all that I need to reach the break of day. So I run to the edge on the shadow of a doubt, with my conscience bleeding. Ill as the truth, the lost treasures of my youth, as I hold to the break of day. When you're lost all hope and excuses, and the cheapskates and the losers, nothing's left to cling on to. You gotta hold on to yourself. When you lost all hope and excuses, and the cheapskates and the losers, nothing's left to cling on to. Gotta hold on, gotta hold on, hold on to yourself.
Tātad transports. Transports, kā jau mēs zinām, tad Šrilankā kustās pa labo pusi. Ir diezgan haotisks no pirmās uzmetiena. Vēlāk ir saprotams, ka mums tāds liels hauss nav. Vienīgais, kas izraisa hausu, ir sabiedriskie transporti, respektīvi lielie autobusi, kuri mauc cauri pilsētai uz 70, 80, un tad visiem pāriem vienkārši ir jāmok malā. Braucot uz siltajām zemēm, cilvēki vienmēr, kas viņus satrauc, ir tirgoņi, bet tad var pateikt uzreiz, ka Šrilankā tirgoņi nav ļoti uzmācīgi un ar to nav baigā problēma. Haizivs, jā. cilvēki baidās vienmēr no haizivīm, un tad ir tas pirmais jautājums, kā tur ir haizivība. Tad haizivis mēs redzējām tikai zivju tirgos, beigtas un nešausmīgi liels, un tā problēma nekad nav bijusi nevienam. Kopā Šrilankā pavadījām mēnesi, citi 3 nedēļas, citi 4 nedēļas tātad. No tām 2 nedēļas pludmalē, surfojot un pārējo iekšzemē. Vakaros gājām krabi medībās. Krabi tiešām liela un visur nesājās riņķī. Pāris tāds skaists moments mums sagādāja dzīvnieki, kas dzīvo okeānā. Sākumā bišķiņ bāž, kad siltā ūdenī dzīvo daudz visādi mošķi, bet ar ko mums nācās sastapties, ik pa brīdim bija bruņurupuči, kad tu peld un pēkšņi tev izlien ārā priekšā tāda galva un skatās tev, tu īsti nesaproti, kas notiekās. Katru rītu zvejnieki dodās tā kā zvejā, tad, kad nelīst. Jāsaka tā, ka Šrilankā līst diezgan daudz. Izvēl tīklus, noķer savu lomu un turpatās uz vietas ir tirgus. Sabrauc uzpircēji, tad notiekās tirgošanās.
It's a lifetime guarantee, stuffed in a coffin, 10% more free. Red light special at the mausoleum. Give me something that I need, satisfaction guaranteed to you. What's the consolation price? Economy size, dreams of hope. When I was a kid, I thought I wanted all the things that I haven't got. Oh, but I learned the hardest way. Then I realized what it took to tell the difference between thieves and crooks. Lesson learned of me and you. Give me something that I need, satisfaction guarantee. Cause I'm thinking about a brand new home, the one I've never known. Cause now I know it's all that I wanted. What's the consolation prize? Economy inside, dreams of hope. Give me something that I need, satisfaction guarantee. Cause I'm thinking about a brand new home, the one I've never known and where it goes. And I'm thinking about the only road, the one I've never known and where it goes. And I'm thinking about a brand new home, the one I've never known. Cause now I know it's all that I wanted.
Money, no photos, money. Money, give me money. No photos.
Jā, brīvajā laikā, protams, visu dienu nenosēdēs ūdenī un nenosērfos, vienkārši mūsu spēku to neatļauj. Un te arī mūsu puiši izdomāja, ka vajag paspēlēties un patestēt kroketu gan ar palmu zaru un kopas riekstu, bet puišiem sanāca diezgan labi, gan noteikums viņi nezināja. Braucot ar vilcienu, skatījāmies redzējām lielos tējas laukus. Šrilankas iepriekšējais nosaukums ir Ceylon, un no Šrilankas nāk Ceylonas tēja. Tas ir arī, protams, lieta, ko Eiropietiem uzreiz gribās redzēt Šrilankā. Kas izbrīnīja, tas, ka Šrilankā tējas kultūra ir ļoti maz attīstīta un, principā, to kaut kā nesanāca sajust.
Successful fella thought to himself, oops, I've got a lot of money. Caught in a rat race, terminally. I'm a professional cynic, but my heart's not in it. I'm paying the price of living life at the limit. Caught up in the centuries, anxiety. Yes, it preys on him. Empty bed, trying simple. Lives in a house, very big house in the country. Watching afternoon repeats and the food he eats in the country. He takes a manner of pills and piles up analyst bills in the country. Oh, it's like an animal farm, that's a rural charm in the country.
Nevar saprast. Tur jau līst. Tur arī līst. Tā kā varavīgs nerit.
He's got morning glory and life's a different story. Everything's going Jack and Jory in touch with his own mortality. He's reading Balzac, looking bad prose. It's a helping hand that makes you feel wonderfully blind. Oh, it's a century's remedy for the fact that heart. Start, drive simple. Lives in a house, a very big house in the country. He's got a fog in his chest, so he needs a lot of rest in the country. He doesn't drink, smoke, laugh, takes herbal baths in the country. Says you come to no harm on the animal farm in the country. In the country. In the country. In the country.
Sērfošana labāk ir no rītiem, 7 līdz 11, 12, tas atceļās vējš, un tad atkal var sākt sērfot no 4, kad vējš ir nomierinājies, ūdens paliek tā kā gluds, ik pa reizi nāk skaists vilnis. Es teiktu, no 5 līdz 6 tad ir pats labākais sērfs, jo viņi ir vienkārši perfekti gludi tādi. Un sērfot Šrilankā var Šrilankas apakšpusē, rietumkrastā un austrumkrastā. Labā lieta ir tāda, ka sezona ir cauri gadu. Ja viena sezonas puse tā kā vienā pusē ir viļņi, tad, kad tu pazūd, tad viļņi pāriet uz otru pusi.
You're like the junkies in this neighborhood. We all need a fix. I guess I need one too. But I'm trying madly to calm these nerves with something new. I got this heavy debt, I got nothing left but this daunting weight slung round my neck. You got the callous mouth, all your endless doubts. We spent these 15 weeks trying to work it out. Do you think we're getting to something new? Oh God, not another fight. I'm always trying to get the details right. I remember when you told me you felt safe, and you promised you'd lay flowers on my grave, just like they used to do. Is it something new? I stand with these blood-soaked hands on this sleepless night that never ends. And these songs I sing with these hopes I cling to, desperately wonder